Love the way you wind it, coco.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this crochet braid hair tutorial. I did regular crochet in the back and individual crochet braids in the front. And the hair that I'm using today is called Freetress Braids Soft Wavy Lock in 20 inches. I use 3 different colors. I use 4 packs of the color 4. I used 2 packs in the color 30, and I actually used 1 pack in the color 30, and I used 2 packs in the color 1B/33. I wanted to try dreads for a while, so I'm so grateful that Dreadlock reached out to me and sent me this hair. If you guys want to check out Dreadlock.com, I'll leave the link to the hair down below, and I'll also leave a coupon code so you guys could get some money off if you're a new user for Dreadlock.com. So I'm really liking this hair. I just added like some hair jewelry that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for that as well. And it goes all the way down to like my chest area. The only problem I do have is that the hair kind of sticks to the hair jewelry, but that's not really that big of a deal. I just like rip it apart if I need to, like, you know, separate it. So, and you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. So here I'm showing you guys the colors that I'm using. I'm using color 30, color 99J, and also color 4. So here I'm just doing the basic crochet technique. I'm taking my crochet latch hook and inserting it through the braid, putting the thread on the hook, closing it, and then pulling it through and then looping it. I'm just placing it in random spots and just moving up. And I'm mixing each color. My goal was to put most of the color 4. I used all 4 packs of my color 4, and I used 1.5 packs of the color 99J, and I think I used half of the pack or the whole 1 pack I had of the color 30. Just placing it in the random spots because I didn't want each color to be too close to each other, so I placed it in random spots so it can look more natural. So here I'm just doing the same thing and placing each color where I think it looks best. So after the regular crochet, I started doing my individual braids. I just braided it into single braids. I had 13 braids on each side. And here I'm putting the latch hook through my scalp and pulling the braid through and looping it. I'm taking both the end of the thread and my own hair and looping it through the top of the thread. And after I loop it through the beginning of the thread, I pull both my real hair and the thread in 2 opposite directions. So for now, I'm just looping it through, and then at the end, I'll go back and actually blend it with my real hair. So yeah, here I'm doing it again with a blonde thread. So here I'm basically opening the thread up. So I'm opening the thread up and wrapping it around my braid so it can blend well with my braid. And I'm actually so sorry. Please excuse my nails. I just got back from London for like 10 days and I was struggling a lot, so most of my nails broke off. So yeah, just excuse that, please. So yeah, here I'm doing the same thing. I'm wrapping the hair around And here I'm basically just molding my real hair into the dread and basically twirling it so it could blend more seamlessly. So this is the final product. I was really satisfied with how it turned out, and I hope you guys like it. Definitely comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this, and let me know what you guys think. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next video. Bye.